What's that? Eh? Oh, where does that go? It looks pretty deep. What's that? What is that? Huh? Eh? Where am I? It's so dark in here. Hello? Huh? What's this? Uh-oh. I feel like this is something. I bet there's something behind that door. Let's go find out. Let's go! I have a bad feeling about this. Eh? Why do I hear boss music? Don't tell me I have to fight that thing. I guess I should, okay. You got this, people. You've done this before. It's just more physical now. Come at me, bro. Okay, watch this. Oh, Pebbles, go! Yeah! Okay, I just have to do that. Okay. Go! Yeah, I'm not scared of you. Thirsty. Got it. Okay, I'm ready for you. I'm recharged. Here we go, Pebbles. Why isn't this working? I'm not doing that much damage. Man, I died. I don't know why the pebbles, they didn't do that much damage. Maybe I have to think of something else. Let me see if I have anything. Oh, yeah, I see. Let's use this. Okay, I'm ready now. Round 2. Here we go. Yeah! Okay, big boss man thing, whatever you are. I'm back and I got a big weapon this time.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm not afraid of you. Here we go. Boom! Yeah, did that hurt? Oh gosh. Oh, did that hurt? Wait, why isn't it doing anything? Hey? Uh-oh. Dang it! I thought switching builds would work. Thank you, Respawn Crystal. I appreciate it. What should I do now? I gotta fight that boss. Let's see. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, I'm gonna dual wield this time. That's gonna work. Yeah, and I'm gonna summon my crystals too. Yeah! Okay, I'm ready. One more try. I'm gonna beat that boss. Let's go! Yeah! hereby vow you will rule this day. It is I, KOSEKI people, your fears made rock. What? Wait. Oh, I get stuck. I understand. Let me. Ouch! Ouch! No! No! Oh, come on! Oh, dear. Oh, I get it. I get it. Come here. Hey, you. Over here. Over here. I'm over here. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Yeah! I won! Let's go!
So finally you're here. You have finally defeated the first boss.
KAELA! What are you doing here?
Too bad for you. I am the real final boss.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so if you wanna win, you need to defeat me.
Really?
Yeah. Come at me, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait! Why do you
Where?
have 3 health bars?
Yeah, why
What the
not?
I'm tired. Whatever.
Oh, you're tired?